Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to take you on a little tour of some of the sites around London and Westminster, all the main tourist attractions, and yeah, come along, let's go and have a look. So over here we've got Tower Bridge. Amazing view of the Eye. And on Westminster Bridge you get great views, obviously, of the Palace of Westminster. And then you've got the Mall that runs all the way down there, and I think that's, well, somewhere along there, St James's. This is the entrance to Downing Street. Trafalgar Square. I'm not sure they let you feed the pigeons here anymore. They did when I was a kid.
Yo, it's a Jack's life, pack your bags, let's roll. From first class flights to that budget hotel. Planes, trains, tourist gains, we're on the move. Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high vibes, tracks down low. Jet set, living everywhere we go. Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. It's a Jack's life, adventure's great.
So first up on our tour is the Tower of London. So if you click the little card in the top corner of your screen, you can have a look around there. So over here we've got Tower Bridge. It's probably the most famous bridge in the world. Obviously you got the Shard. What else we got? What's that? The HMS something? Let us know down in the comments. Is that the HMS Belfast, I think? So when you come out of Westminster Station, Parliament is literally in front of you. We have Elizabeth Tower with Big Ben at the top, and then the House of Parliament, and just over there is Westminster Abbey. We're going to go this way up the bridge. Here we are. So if you come to London and you do want some souvenirs, there's many a shop to choose from. Tell we're in a touristy area now, how busy it is. First proper look at the Eye. Amazing view of the Eye. And then that's the Tate Modern Art Gallery, I think, and the aquarium. And down there, is it there? Is MI5. And on Westminster Bridge you get great views, obviously, of the Palace of Westminster. See, just across the road we've got the statue of Churchill. And then we're going up Parliament Street towards Downing Street. So coming down Parliament Street, come up to the Cenotaph, the wall memorial for the fallen soldiers. Cross. So we've got the Cenotaph here, and then we're going to go down here and have a look at Downing Street. So I think we're now on Whitechapel instead of Parliament Street. Get a better look at the Cenotaph. So this is the entrance to Downing Street. I don't think you can quite see the famous door, but it's just down there.
Yeah, we'll get there. So then this leads up to Trafalgar Square. And there he is at the top of his, I don't know what you call it. What do you call that spike?
Yeah, you don't want to come on the 26th then, boy. Move it then.
Trafalgar Square. I'm not sure they let you feed the pigeons here anymore. They did when I was a kid, but I'm not sure about it now. Another very expensive hotel going up, the Waldorf Astoria, where they're just having works done. What's that flag? So that's the Canadian embassy in the background. What's this one up front? Is that Uganda? I don't know. Canadian Embassy looks particularly a nice building. Very nice. Better than Canada. Apparently these are where all the embassies are. Hungarian Culture Centre, Hungary House, London. Ironic because I'm off for dinner at the moment. And then we've got Brazil. Is that Kazakhstan? I think it might be. Testing my flag knowledge now. The home of Borat. So just on St James's Street here, you have Fallow's, very famous restaurant. Famous for their barbecued cod's head. Now, over here we have the Hard Rock Cafe. If you would like to see inside the Hard Rock Cafe, I've done a review just here on the screen, so click there now. So just come out of Baker Street Station and we're heading down towards Madame Tussauds. If you'd like a full tour of Madame Tussauds, do click the link there on the screen and you can have a full look round at the exhibitions on the show. Next up, the Jubilee line to Canary Wharf, which is this way. I don't know what the building that is, but that's pretty cool. Finally found Canary Wharf. Straight ahead. Is it still the UK's tallest building? Let me know in the comments. So we've just come down from Canary Wharf, which, as you can see, this is quite a good view actually of all the buildings either side. And then if you look over the other side, you get to see the old Millennium Dome, or the O2 as it's known now. So we're now in Green Park, heading down towards Buckingham Palace. It's quite cool that you can look, get yourself a deck chair here and sit in the sun. Let's hope you don't have to pay the same prices that you do on the beach. I think originally this was all part of the Buckingham estate before being made public park. Again, correct me in the comments if I've got that wrong, but I think that's the case. Then over there we have the Mall goes down there, and we have that gigantic fountain in the middle, which I've seen lots of times but I've never known who's it of. And then we have the palace. Do we know if he now lives here or if he still lives? Was it Kensington Palace he used to live in, old Charles? Has he moved in or does he just work here? What is this bird? Is this some sort of duck? Has anyone ever seen a duck that looks like this? Wow! What a good looking duck. We don't have you in Birmingham. Are you friendly? Oh, he's got a friend. Another good looking duck. Does anyone know what type of duck this is and why he's so friendly? Hello. Is he going to bite me? Oh, this is fun. How to recognise the regiment. Little white one, none, white and green, blue and red. Irish Guards. They must be fun. Welsh. Sceptical. But anyway, you come through here and you have Buckingham Palace right in front of us. I think famously this little balcony bit over here is where that man dressed as Batman managed to get his ladder up and then go across there and then went round the front. Wow, and there is Buckingham Palace. The guards, you work out what guard he was. So he hasn't got any extra stuff on his feathers. So what was he again? I can't even remember. No guard changing ceremony today, unfortunately, but beautiful building. And then down here is the big fountain.
And then you've got the Mall that runs all the way down there, and I think that's, well, somewhere along there is St James's. Is it St James's? I think so. Hope you've enjoyed my little walking tour around some of the sites in London. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe.
Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high vibes, tracks down low.